everybody, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli back with you, bringing you inside of the Legacy Builder Program training, just to give you a quick sneak preview into what you're going to get access to when you make the decision to get started and take action, okay? Now, what this is going to do, what is the Legacy Builder Program going to do for you? What is it going to provide you with? And how can it change your situation in your life? Well, first and foremost, everything is current, okay, with regards to the training, all new and current for 2024. This is going to equip you with the skills, the necessary skills that you need to take with you into the marketplace online so that you can successfully and effectively build your business and build your brand and be in the best possible position for results, okay, and success both now, short term, as well as in the future, long term, okay? So everything you need is going to be here to get you started, get you set up, and it's all step-by-step video training tutorials with instructions teaching you and showing you how to get your system set up, how to get your funnel set up, and then how to share and advertise and market, okay? So that you can find your perfect customer and attract your perfect customer and build your brand and create your content and build your email list and build your following using and harnessing the power and potential of free social media platforms, okay? Where you will find millions upon millions of people out there searching for this type of a solution to help them and to change their life, okay? So if you are ready to change your life, folks, then I encourage you to really come inside and take a close look at the Legacy Builder Program, where we have well over 23,000 members now worldwide and growing every single day, okay? So getting started right here. You want to definitely start here. This is where you're going to be able to access your weekly live Legacy Builder interactive trainings. This is where you'll find your link, okay? And this shows you how to navigate this platform called Kajabi, where the training, where your digital products are going to be accessible, okay? You'll come down here, Launch Kit for your online business. So I would highly encourage you to definitely dive into lessons 4, 5, and 6, your winning mindset, your 2-hour workday, and your launch to profit in 7 days. This is the Launchpad product, folks. And this is what's giving people the best and highest possibility and probability of being able to get started and go from launch to profit in 7 days. You just got to take it serious, though, folks, and then be willing to apply and implement it. Show up every single day, commit to the process, and remain consistent with your marketing activities. Okay, this is going to show you how to set up your Freedom Funnel, which ultimately is your system comprised of your capture page, redirecting over to your bridge page, your thank you page. There's an optional video sales page, and then this will take people right into that product/join page when they're ready to go, where your payment links will be located so that you can get paid. We have full resale rights, full master resale rights, where we're able to, this is member to member, and we're able to resell and earn and keep 100% of the profits on all 4 products, okay? With no monthly fees at all, all right? So everything is going to be here, folks. Showing you how to set up your system. Once you've set everything up and gone through everything, you definitely want to test your Freedom Machine and your automated system to make sure that everything redirects properly and it goes to your page, that your buttons are working when someone wants to join at one of these levels. And then also you want to make sure that you're getting your follow-up emails. So you want to do a full-blown test. Okay, I believe it's highly advantageous for you before you take your program out into the marketplace. This is going to teach you how to start creating your empire, how to set up your social media. Now, we teach and train on all of these platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, as well as Pinterest. And we also have faceless brand training as well, okay? If you want to go the faceless fashion, okay? We can certainly help you with that. We're going to show you how to grow a following on social media, okay? And then how to turn your followers into customers. And here's, all of your training. We show you how and teach you how to find your ideal customer, and then how to create content that is relevant for your perfect ideal customer that they can resonate with so that you have the best chance of taking those ideal customers and start to convert them into paid signups through your Freedom Machine, through your Freedom Funnel, through your follow-up emails. Okay? So that is a highly invaluable skill right there. And then you'll go through this. There's a lot here, folks. You're going to learn how to become a master storyteller with your content. We're going to teach you how to brand yourself and all that good stuff, folks. Here's additional supplemental TikTok training, additional lessons, okay? How to post free ads on the internet. This is the simple copy, paste, post strategy here where you're going to be able to build your following. You're going to be able to build your email list, and you're going to be able to build your YouTube channel using this strategy right here, which is really simple. Members absolutely love this. Okay, here's additional YouTube training, additional Pinterest training, Reels strategy training. Everything is here, folks. Going live training, 6 figures in 6 months training. Okay, you just want to take your time and go through this. Remember, folks, everybody learns at a different pace. Rome wasn't built overnight. Whatever you want, whatever you do, do not go on information overload. Just be willing to invest some time in yourself every single day so you can ultimately become the best version of yourself that is possible, and go through your training, folks, so that you can learn the skills in an ideal earn while you learn business environment and model. Okay? We'll show you how to build a recurring income stream. Here's affiliate marketing and partnerships. So you pick and choose what interests you the most, and then you hone in on it and you focus on it. Email marketing, list building, folks. Email marketing, your email list, whether you realize it or not, is ultimately going to become your greatest asset. Me personally, as a list building marketer now for a long time, I can truly attest that that is where the money originates, and the fortunes are in the follow-up. Those are your email follow-ups, your automations. These are your daily emails that are going to go out and follow up on those leads that willingly enter their email address into your capture page as you are building your list daily through your content creation. We'll teach you how to create that all-important CTA, the call to action, at the close of your content so that people know what to do next, which ultimately is to go to your website and enter their email address into it so they can learn and discover how this opportunity has the potential to change their life, okay? And that's what I invite you to do. The link to my website is below in the description. That's where I always put my website. So all you have to do is go there and enter a good valid email address. You'll come inside and you'll get to review everything firsthand. Best way to reach me, my personal contact, my cell phone is below. Text or call me. I welcome all serious inquiries, and what I do in all of my videos for quick, easy access so you can see the big picture of the potential and how this opportunity can truly help you in a multitude of ways. The link to our most recent webinar, the replay, is always in my YouTube descriptions, and I upload every single week the webinar replay. So if you're not able to attend these live webinar, our opportunity webinars throughout the week, folks, you can always catch the replay. Okay? It's on my Retire with Marybeth YouTube channel, and it's in the link of my video description here. Okay? So everything is going to be here for you, folks. Email marketing and list building, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity. If you want to create your own courses, your own products, your own programs, if you aspire to do that, we have full-blown training on that as well. How to scale your business, okay? That's important. Okay, once you get into profit mode, you just want to keep moving onward and upward and scaling it. So scalability is definitely very, very important. Okay, you want to create your own community. You're going to learn how to do that as well. Okay, building a reoccurring income stream. We'll teach you how to do that. I mean, there's everything that is here, folks, for you. Okay, to be able to truly, truly win as a new legacy builder member. So it's all here, folks, for you. You just want to take your time, go into this. This is just a small fraction of what you're going to get because we have our digital growth community, which is an extension of these digital products. You'll find additional training and mentorship and education within the classroom. And that's where we have and host live trainings throughout the week for our members. Okay, so you definitely want to check that out as well. And I'll just show you real quick what that looks like. See, here's our digital growth community. Here's the classroom right here, okay? If you're new to getting started, you definitely want to go here. There's a very important video that you want to watch, okay? It's going to help you to get set up on the right path, okay, to move forward, to be able to have success. Here, we're in the midst of this 90-day legacy run where we receive daily action videos every single morning that I encourage everybody to tune into before you even start your income producing activities for the day, okay? Here is your content vault. We give you a wealth and ton of content ideas so you know how to create your content in the best fashion possible on the social media platform of your choice, okay? This is our social media, additional social media training, folks. I mean, this training alone you get for free as a member of the digital growth community after you have joined as a Legacy Builder member, okay? So this is just a continuation. It's an extension. And in my opinion, folks, this training alone within the classroom is literally worth thousands of dollars, okay, whether you realize it or not. Here is 6 figures in 6 months. If this happens to be one of your goals that you aspire for, you want to spend some quality time going into 6-figure in 6 month training, deep dive into this, okay? Mindset training, all right? Webinar, free webinar resources. We have live training every single Monday night for paid members. Here's all the replays, okay? And these are the past replays of trainings from the past 90-day legacy runs and legacy sprints right here, and right here. So folks, there is a wealth of material, a wealth of training to help you to succeed as a new member and to become the best version of yourself that you can and go out into the marketplace and truly win, folks, okay? And as you can see, I always share some recent wins because I just want to show people what's possible, okay? So here we go. Here's someone who upgraded. Here is someone who got 2 dings so far today and made $1,800. Look at this, folks. Whoop, whoop. 9:45 a.m. and already made $900. So excited. Here's more wins that are being reported. Okay, look at this. 914 leads in 48 hours. Okay, so we teach you traffic and lead generation so that you can increase your lead flow through your content creation as you build your email list, as you take people on that journey of know, like, and trust. They start to get your follow-up emails, and when they're ready, they make the purchase. So we give you everything from concept to completion, okay? Another $900 ding. Look at the second ding so far today, $1,800 day. So you kind of get the gist of this hopefully by now, folks, what is possible. And it's not a question of, does the Legacy Builder program works? What I can tell you is, of course, I can't make guarantees. I have to get that out there in all my videos. Income disclaimer, can't make promises, guarantees of income whatsoever. Nobody can do that, but we have a proven system, folks. And you see, I take people and show them the winner circle on all my